Hello Year Ones, we are going to have a very quick warm-up activity of the sounds that you already know. So what I would like you to do is when I say a sound, I would like you to get your finger and I'd like you to find the sound and touch it on your screen. But I might say them really quickly or I might give you a bit of time, but you have to try and beat me before I say the next sound. So are you ready? Get your finger ready, here we go. O, ch, sh, e, f, oo, r, ch, sh, e, o, oo. Well done. Did you do well? How many did you get right? Did you find them before I moved on to the next sound? Well done. We'll have another game tomorrow.